and it will be one of your bestie on your stations. You'll be loving it so much because it was really literally cover and protect all of your crystals from the crystal placements. So it's not only keep it nice, and also, okay, great. So I'm gonna seal between all the gaps, cracks, and the edges of it, and then seals on the top of our metals like metallics frame, so then it prevents from getting tarnished. Oh, food will be there as well. Here we're thinking about food and stuff, but you have such a really nice hand. You don't, you know what, Live Ras, talking about that, don't let me get started because you don't see, you can't imagine it with my nails like without no nails. Like, I mean, my nails without any of the products, and it looks naked and looks so not good. So that's why I always have my nails on. You haven't seen my nails with no nails on. You want to say, Nancy, I don't think it's a good idea. You should put something on it. You know, it's amazing how nails, art, and nails will change the whole entire thing from really set, like upset nails and like set cuticles, or is the nails, the beauty will fix all of this, right? I'm going to the third one. And then I'm gonna do is I am going to seals on the top. If you in this like needle, you can absolutely using it, or you can open the brush on the sides and on the other end and seal this. I'm gonna seal all of this because it will really do a trick for us. It will seal and then it will protect all the colors, and also it will prevent from tarnish. Here you go. Cure this one for 60 seconds. Live Ras, if you come, so wanna definitely get a plant on it. Any of you, even like Foxy comes. Foxy is just a fire away. And here we're gonna doing it seals again. If any of you are trip to Florida, let me know. I gotcha. I'm gonna seal. You see the gap right there? I'm gonna seal it in. It's really cool that the needle is so precise to the point that you just squeeze a little bit. That's all you need. You don't need a whole lot. Each time you squeeze out just a little bit to seal on the edges of the crystal. You don't want to flood your crystal. You just want to make sure they are completely sealed. All right. One day, Nancy, Foxy, one day I'm going to come to Australia and see you. I get really good friends. She's from Australia, too. It's really, really good. She traveled a few years ago, come visit me. And I really wanted to go and have a good bestie like in New Zealand. So I can't wait. So this is the other end is a brush. To if you can brush it like, for instance, if I have my charms right here, I'm gonna brush that and protect all of that part to prevent it from turning like tarnish. This one too, seal it like this. Sorry, I'm gonna show you because that's the best way when waiting for that nails to be dry. And just make sure you seal it. It's only turn and tarnish if I am not sealing it.
Yeah, you gotta cure it.
I have to cure it. Because that my bow is still good. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna cure this. Cure this. Cure my nails. So if you miss that nails you like, I like these nails a lot. The nails that I have it on. Okay, here. Mama Big. Should I move it closer? Here. Let me see if I can hold it up first for a second. I'm really enjoying with every single of you. We just like liquid and powder, and then we did the